By late 2025, the global technology sector had poured hundreds of billions of dollars into AI infrastructure. Companies aggressively accelerated the build-out of hyperscale data centers, packing them with high-density GPU clusters, regional edge compute nodes, and massive cooling systems. This massive expansion was driven by a rational strategy. Foundational technology requires physical capacity to exist ahead of demand. Operators must lay the rails before they can run the trains. A systemic overshoot occurs when every hyperscaler, cloud provider, and enterprise executes this exact same build-ahead strategy simultaneously. Physical supply scales up rapidly across the entire industry at once. The market currently faces an abundance of raw computing power, paired with a severe shortage of high-margin, profitable workloads to run on it. This graph maps the disconnect between hardware and software. The steep, aggressive curve represents physical infrastructure supply. The flatter line beneath it tracks the actual demand for profitable workloads. Demand is growing, but it scales unevenly. Many enterprise AI initiatives remain in experimental pilot phases, while cost structures are optimized. Meanwhile, corporate budget cycles often lag behind technological enthusiasm. The widening gap between fast-scaling physical supply and slow-scaling enterprise demand creates an expensive economic void. This is the capacity glut. Rapid technological adoption does not guarantee immediate financial monetization for the infrastructure providers. In a capacity glut, the core metric for evaluating an AI company shifts to utilization rates, the percentage of available server space actively performing paid tasks. When compute resources are scarce, companies command premium prices. In a surplus market, scarcity evaporates, shifting financial value toward the efficiency of utilization rather than the total scale of the build-out. When utilization drops from 90% down to 70%, the impact on returns is devastating. A modest drop triggers a severe collapse in profit margins. This happens because infrastructure costs are fixed. These servers require a massive energy baseline and constant maintenance, even when sitting empty. Unused AI capacity is an expensive liability that actively bleeds capital. To stop the financial bleeding, operators must fill idle servers immediately. They are forced to compete for the few available workloads to cover their overhead. Providers respond by slashing prices, offering aggressive discounts, and bundling services. Premium computing power begins to normalize into a commoditized, competitive market. This triggers the depreciation storm. Idle assets generate zero revenue, while the hardware depreciates and its economic lifespan shortens relative to its original cost. Desperate price cuts combined with high fixed costs lead to severe, unavoidable margin compression across the industry. High fixed costs force expensive infrastructure into a pricing race to the bottom, as providers struggle to cover their overhead. This operational imbalance eventually creates a macroeconomic threat known as structural fragility. This flowchart tracks the systemic domino effect. When multiple hyperscalers face the same utilization problems simultaneously, it leads to lowered guidance and compressed valuations. Because these companies dominate the market, their internal inefficiencies translate into broad index volatility. The market narrative is pivoting. Investors have stopped asking if there is enough capacity and are now demanding companies justify what they have already built. For the DIY investor, the strategy must change. Success now depends on tracking capital efficiency and return on invested capital, or ROIC, rather than raw revenue growth. Focus on players that control demand rather than those dependent on filling empty capacity. Watch for early warning indicators than corporate earnings calls. When executives pivot their focus to efficiency and optimization, the effects of the glut are already being felt. The AI ecosystem is resetting because massive supply arrived far ahead of the market's ability to monetize it. Recognizing this timing shift provides a distinct edge for smart investors looking to build a financial future they truly own. Subscribe to Suburban DIY for more strategies.